Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to withdraw money from Amazon Pay to bank account. To transfer your Amazon Pay balance to your bank account, start by opening the Amazon app and logging in. From the home screen, we'll go to Send Money option under the Quick Links section, and then select Bank Transfer. Enter your bank details carefully, including your account number, IFCS code, and name. Next, input the amount you wish to transfer. Tap Pay Now. On the payment method screen, select Show More Ways and choose Amazon Pay Balance, then tap Continue to confirm. The funds will be sent directly to your bank account, completing the transfer securely. The straightforward process allows you to move your Amazon Pay balance seamlessly into your bank. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.